Hey creators, got a massive update for every Geo user out there. You can now unlock 18 months of Google AI Pro absolutely free, a premium access worth over Rs 35,000. And inside this incredible offer lies the real creative powerhouse, Whisk AI. It's Google's next-gen image-to-video AI that transforms your static photos into cinematic motion clips within seconds. Imagine uploading a simple picture, and Whisk adds camera motion, realistic lighting, and smooth transitions that make it look like a pro-level video shoot. Whether you're a creator, influencer, filmmaker, or student, Whisk gives you studio-quality visuals without needing expensive gear or editing skills. And the best part? You get Whisk AI and the entire Google AI Pro Suite free for 18 months when you're on a Geo 5G plan of Rs 349 or above. This early access phase starts for users aged 18 to 25, but soon it's expanding for everyone. To claim it, just open your MyJio app, tap the banner that says Google AI Pro, claim now, or register interest, sign in with your Google account, and boom, Whisk AI is unlocked. Start creating stunning reels, intros, and AI-powered videos instantly. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime offer, Whisk AI X Geo. 18 months of creative freedom, absolutely free.